Welcome to today's lesson, which has been taken from your listening and speaking book 3, unit 1, page 16. We will focus today on suffixes. So what is a suffix? Well, suffixes are letters added to the end of a word to form a new word. أو يقال لواحق. Parts of speech using suffixes. اللواحق تساعدنا في معرفة نوع الكلمة. Suffixes help us find out the parts of speech. هل هي اسم، فعل، صفة أو ظرف? Is the word a noun, a verb, an adjective, or an adverb? So for example, شن, this is a suffix. هذه من اللواحق. And this suffix helps us know that the word attention is a noun. Likewise, أسي, accuracy, إتي, identity, meant, amusement, ness, friendliness, and or, researcher and inventor. So these suffixes allow us to know that the word is a noun. هذه اللواحق تساعدنا لمعرفة أن هذه الأسماء. So for example, verbs, IZE, ISE. These let us know that the word is a verb. For example, realize. And strengthen. Iffy, simplify. Eight, stimulate. Ish, accomplish. These suffixes let us know that the word is a verb. For adjectives, we have able, dependable. Us, humorous. Full, careful. If, effective. Al, traditional. And ik, terrific. These suffixes allow us to know that the word is an adjective. هذه اللواحق تساعدنا لمعرفة أن هذه صفات. So also for an adverb we have ly, particularly, ali, universally, word, downwards, wise, clockwise, يعني باتجاه أقارب الساعة. These letters, suffixes, let us know that the word is an adverb. Now, let's look at this activity A. We're going to have to look at the new words. For each word, write the suffix, the part of speech, and the base word from which the new word is formed. فالآن نستخدم هذه اللواحق لمعرفة نوع الكلمة وأصل الكلمة. So we have, for example, accuracy. The suffix is أسي. The part of speech is the noun, and the base word is accurate. Number 2, assumption. The suffix is shun, and shun is a sign of a noun, so the part of speech is noun, and the base word is assume. Please pause the video and complete activity A. Try and use a dictionary to look up some of these words. Okay. Please pause the video and check your answers for activity A. Don't forget to look at the meanings of the new words in Arabic. For example, number 1, accuracy, دقة. Number 2, assumption, افتراض. Number 3, consciously, بوعي. Number 4, prediction, تنبؤ. Number 5, effectively, بشكل فعال. Number 6, instinctive, غريزي. And number 7, selection, اختيار. Please pause the video and check your answers for this activity and try and remember the suffix, parts of speech, and also the base word of those that you may have forgotten. Okay, We're going to try and use these words now to make sample sentences. Also, after that, we would identify the part of speech. So, accuracy. When you kick a ball, you need accuracy to score. Can you remember what part of speech is accuracy? Yes, it's a noun because of esse. Assumption. We should not make assumptions when we meet people. This is a noun because of shun. Consciously. I consciously chose not to drink Pepsi anymore. Adverb because of ly. Prediction. Reem tried to make a prediction on what would happen, but she got it wrong. Shun. This is a noun. Effectively. Sleep early so you can study effectively. This is an adverb. Ly. Instinctive. The way he played basketball was instinctive. Ive, if. It's a sign of an adjective. And finally, selection. There is a nice selection of different kinds of sweets in the shop. Shun, selection. This is a noun. Okay, let's move on to C. Complete each sentence with the correct word from activity A on page 16. So, we are going to use these words to fill in the spaces for activity C. I will help you with 1, 2, and 3. So let's start off with 1. That bookstore offers a great of classic literature. There are so many, it's hard to choose. So straight away we know that we have of here, which means there is a collocation, relationship between of and the word we're looking for. And the word we're looking for has been described by this word great, which is an adjective. So therefore we're looking for a noun that goes with of. And that noun has to go with the meaning of this area that has been circled. So many. It's hard to choose. Hard to choose. So therefore we know that there is a selection. So that bookstores offers a great selection of classic literature. There are so many, it's hard to choose. Number 2, we have a space and then is really important in grammar. So you should try not to make mistakes. We have important, which is an adjective. So therefore we are looking for a noun. We are looking for a noun. And that noun has to be opposite to mistakes, not to make mistakes. And yes, the answer is accuracy. So accuracy is really important in grammar, so you should try not to make mistakes. Number 3, we often make about people because of the way they look. Then we sometimes discover that our first impressions were incorrect. We have make here, which is a verb, so we're looking for an object, which usually would be a noun. So what kind of noun are we looking for? We're looking for a noun that goes with this statement here. So obviously, to make an impression, we have to have assumptions. So the answer is assumptions. So we often make assumptions about people because of the way they look. Then we sometimes discover that our first impressions were incorrect. Okay, after this, please do number 4, 5, 6, and 7. And remember to use these words to fill in the spaces. Please pause the video and complete this activity. Excellent. There you go. These are the answers for activity C. لاحظ كيف وصلنا إلى الإجابة الصحيحة. So notice the clues that I have shown here that helped us answer the questions. Please check your answers and see how you have done. Well done. Thank you very much for watching today.